Welcome back to another video. So I've got a couple of little packages turn up from Immerlee. Now this brand, way back in the beginning when I first started getting into nails, I used to see everybody using Immerlee. Everybody used to rave about it, and I had a few of the gels as well, and I used to love their no wipe top coat. Yeah, and I think just the hype died down around them. I'm not quite sure, but so they've kindly sent me over a pack of gel polishes and a no wipe top, and I'm presuming that is a base. They're not HEMA free. Let's get that out of the way. They're not HEMA free, and I'm excited for these. These are like look like mermaidy powders, chrome powder maybe. I'll leave all links and everything below. But yeah, they have got quite a lot of these sets of 6. So let's see what we got. So they come packaged like this. So these look like, I don't know, I'd say Christmas. Right, so yeah, they're glass bottles, 10 mils. They're a good size bottle. I really like these bottles. They're cute, aren't they? I'm not so keen on this. Like, it really didn't need to be in that. It really didn't. So this looks like new packaging, doesn't it? Because that's the packaging I remember from a couple of years ago. So this looks like new. You can get these in a duo, I think, the top and the base. You can get a cheaper version in an 8ml bottle as well. It's quite warm today. Oh yeah, it's quite a thick top coat. I like that. It's not too thick, but it's rather thick. So let's have a feel of the base coat. Yeah, the base coat's thinner than the top, but it's still got a... It's not runny. So, yeah, let's give them a swatch. So, we'll stick a base coat on one, just to make sure it cures, and it cures with a tacky layer. I'm not going to bother base coating the rest, it's just a waste. But we will base coat one just to try it. Right, so that's cured, guys, it's fine. It's got a nice tacky layer. So, shall we get on with it? Let's try this black. Yeah, I have been told Immerlee's black is a good one. So, we'll soon find out, won't we? Should I bring you in a bit? I think somebody lied to me. Right, it's definitely going to need 2 coats. That's it after 1 coat. It's hard to see on camera. It is a tiny bit sheer. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp. We'll give that a second coat in a minute. Let's just get through these. So I'll stick some music on now and let you watch. Right guys, this is them all had 2 coats, so I'm just going to give them a top coat now. I'm going to use the Immerlee no wipe top coat. The black definitely needed 2 coats, but it's perfectly fine with 2 coats. It's completely opaque with just 2 thin coats. So I'm going to give them all a quick top coat now with the Immerlee no wipe, and then we'll have a look at them. Right guys, that's all the colours swatched. So yeah, that black, they were all fine. They've all had 2 coats. I would say the red, out of everything, this red only needed 1 coat. That was really opaque. But all the others, yeah, definitely needed 2 coats. I love this one. I've got a chunky glitter that's just like that. Beautiful, isn't it? And this one is like a mixture of ultrafine gold and ultrafine rose gold. It's really unique. I really like it. But yeah, they're all right gels. That's the That's the No Wipe top coat as well. It is very, very nice and glossy. I do like it. Bit of a bizarre set of gels to send me for this time of year. I'd definitely say they're more Christmas kind of time, aren't they? But yeah, they're alright gels. I really like them. I love these bottles. So quickly, I'm going to swatch these. So it comes with one eyeshadow applicator. I'd have put two in, to be fair. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, another one, you know. So that's a laser powder. So that's the holographic one. And then we've got 3, 8, 7, 13 and 10. These look nice. So I'm going to get the silver seal off all of these because they're all sealed. And then I'll be back. So we'll start with the laser powder. So I'm going to use, again, the No Wipe top coat. You need a No Wipe top coat when you're using any kind of chrome powder, mermaid powder. This looks nice. So I'm going to give it a No Wipe top coat, and instead of curing it for the normal 30 seconds, I'm going to just cure it for probably in between 15, 20. Right, so that's been cured for 20 seconds, that has. So I'm just going to rub this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cool. It's an ultra fine powder as well. Really fine powder. Wow, I like that. I like that a lot. What I normally do, once I've rubbed it all in with the eyeshadow applicator, I normally rub over it with my finger then, and it just gets rid of any graininess. Oh wow, that is nice. Isn't that smart? Look at the colours coming out of that. Wow. So again, I am going to get out an old top coat. You want to use an old top coat to top coat these now, because obviously you don't want any of the powder going in your brand new Imelie top coat. So I've got an old top coat that is especially for glitters and chromes, stuff like this. So you need to seal it in, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp as well. So I'm going to do exactly the same on all 5 of these powders now. So again, I'll speed it up and let you watch. Woohoo, I love that. Right guys, that is all the chromey stuff swatched. I have done a couple over white and colours. I wasn't going to do them over white because I've got some and they don't show up over white, but oh my gosh, these do. These are amazing. So that's the one I showed you first, the hollow one. It is crazy. Look at the colour shift, the rainbow on it. Right, this is number 3. So I tried it over the black first, and it's like a purple And it's got like a bronzy gold shift. Absolutely beautiful. And I tried it over a pink. Look at that beautiful pearly effect it gives you. This was just a plain boring pink like that. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's completely transformed it into a pearl. I love it. Right, this is number 7. This is like a green to a purple. Really difficult to show you these colours on camera. And I tried that one over a plain blue, like a royal blue, would you say? Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I didn't swatch number 8 over anything else. It's like an olive colour, isn't it? It's not got much of a shift on that one. It shifts from like an olive green to a darker green. And then number 10. Again, I tried that over a white. Is it a white? Yeah, that was just a plain white. And it's gone to a beautiful pearly colour as well. Stunning, isn't it? Both of them. Number 13 is a beautiful, really, really bright green. But if you look down the sides, it's got like a chromy blue kind of shift. I hate the camera doesn't pick stuff up. Can you see the blue? Yeah, you can see it there. And then it shifts to this bright, bright green. And then that's it over white. Beautiful, aren't they? But these ones are my favourite. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, aren't they? But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Just a quick swatch video. That's the gel polishes. I'll leave all links below. I love that. That is beautiful. Yeah, I'll leave all links below. These are all Imalee are on Amazon. They've got their own website as well. I'll leave all details in my description box. But I'm buzzing with these. I love that they come in this little pot as well. It keeps them all nice and together. You know what I'm like, guys, for everything being neat, tidy, and slotting into its own little place. Love it. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.